Good medical morning. This is Watson, your warlord of the weird and prince of popping. Today's topic is skin cancer. Before we get started, do you remember Tan Mom? She's the New Jersey actress who was arrested in April of 2012 for allegedly taking her daughter Anna to the tanning booth. Stick around because I'm about to show you what her daughter looks like today. First, I'll show you some skin cancer treatment procedures, and we'll learn about the condition. Skin cancers, including melanoma, basal cell carcinoma, and squamous cell carcinoma, often start as changes to your skin. They can be new growths or precancerous lesions, changes that are not cancer but could become cancer over time. An estimated 40% to 50% of fair-skinned people who live to be 65 will develop at least one skin cancer. Let's look at a few examples. Actinic keratosis. These small scaly patches are caused by too much sun and commonly occur on the head, neck, or hands, but can be found elsewhere. They can be an early warning sign of skin cancer, but it's hard to tell whether a particular patch will continue to change over time and become cancerous. Most do not, but doctors recommend early treatment to prevent the development of squamous cell skin cancer. Fair-skinned, blonde, or red-haired people with blue eyes or green eyes are most at risk. Next is farmer's lip. Related to actinic keratosis, it's a precancerous condition that usually appears on the lower lips. Scaly patches or persistent roughness of the lips may be present. Less common symptoms include swelling of the lip, loss of the sharp border between the lip and skin, and prominent lip lines. Farmer's lip may evolve into invasive squamous cell carcinoma if not treated. Cutaneous horns. The cutaneous horn appears as a funnel-shaped growth that extends from a red base on the skin. It is composed of compacted keratin, which is the same protein in nails. It is a specialized type of actinic keratosis. The size and shape of the growth can vary considerably, but most are a few millimeters in length. So, are you ready to see Tan Mom's child after all these years? Well, it looks like her skin hasn't seen as much damage as her mom's, so that's good. Now's the time for you to leave your comments on the video and on skin cancer. What do you think of Tan Mom's attempts to tan her toddler? Is that or should it be a criminal offense? Leave your thoughts and opinions below.
Hi, I'm Emily, and I'm here to tell you about Rest More. I take it every single night before bed, and it helps me sleep like a baby. I take 2 capsules with a glass of water about 30 minutes before bed, and I am able to sleep all night long. You can pick this up on Amazon. You can get a 30-day or 60-day supply. I personally buy the 60-day because it lasts a little bit longer and it's cheaper. I wake up feeling fully refreshed, and I think you all should try it.
Remember, when you just need more rest, get Rest More. Now available on Amazon. Good night.